Welcome to another episode in this Dephemberember 2022. The prompt list for day 22 is water envelope inserts. So let's do this. And our animal is a hamster. I already have it there. Look at how cute is this animal here. So my idea is to have this mason jar with water. So I print it and I color it with acrylics, and then I cut this beautiful lotus flower and I glue it over here. So my idea is to have this mason jar for the outer part of the envelope, as this is an insert card and water. So I coffee dyed this beautiful envelope. It was new, but now it has a vintage look, and the insert I'm going to be doing is the silhouette of the hamster that I did using my distress ink vintage photo and going with my flat brush all the way here in order to do this silhouette over there. So I have a lot of pieces here, and let's start putting them together. So first of all, I'm going to be working on the inside part of the envelope. So I'm going to need the silhouette. I cut the corners, like I rounded them, so they're nicer this way. I love them more. And now I'm going to be adding this empty water jar. You can use this to write on your journal, and it's having the same theme as the cover of the envelope, that is going to be this one with the jar and with the actual hamster. So I'm going to glue the jar on here, and I'm going to go on this side, only this side, because I want it like I want it to be like coming off from the card a little bit, and so that's what I got. Another thing is that as this is all related with water, I'm going to cover the back of this card using that blue paper. So it's going to be like all about blue and tile, because this is all about water. And remember that the prompt we are working in today is prompt 22, water and envelope insert. So we are here, that's why I'm using this blue here, super nice. And I'm going to cut it. Actually, I can leave this blue border, but I don't know if it's gonna fit in the envelope. So let's try. Let me trim this here. And going here. So this has been an amazing journey, like every day a different ephemera for our journals. And as I told you, I am going to be showing you my journal for this ephemera, so the place where all these ephemeras are going to go. So this is my insert, and it's totally okay. It fits into my envelope. Just trim this a little bit more there. Okay, look at that. So I have space to write here, to leave a message there, and also to write on this water here. So this is going to go inside the envelope because it's the insert, so it's perfectly placed inside. And my idea is to glue only this part on the journal page, so I can go like that, flipping it, opening it and closing it, and taking out the card, writing, and then putting back inside the envelope. So for the cover, I have these elements here. I have these dry leaves. They are amazing. They're natural leaves, and I like the shape. It's rounded. This is kind of a hard shape a little bit here, and they look amazing, and they match with the green of the water I place here. It's more like a tile green, and also I have the hamster there. I want the hamster to be like grabbing the jar, so I separate the two back feet, and I'm going to stick it in there, like showing one of them, and then she's gonna grab that. She is going to be grabbing the mason jar, and this is the back. So I just need to have some glue in here to make it stay on place. So there. And it's all I'm going to be gluing, because now I am going to go here and glue the leaves. I'm in love with these leaves. I really love them. I like them so much. And remember that I'm a botanist, so I collect and study a lot of natural materials coming from trees and bushes, like seeds, flowers. So it's all I love to do, to teach and to collect a lot of natural elements. So these are my leaves. Now I'm going to go with my jar and this beautiful animal for today's ephemera, that we are following this prompt of 22 different ephemeras, one for each day on December the 22nd. So I've been in love with the project. I'm enjoying all these videos here, and I am going to build my journal. So I'm going to show it to you as soon as we finish the prompt and Dephemberember, so you can know how I'm going to be using everything I've been making in here. So this is the final result. What do you think? So I have the envelope, I have water, I have hamster, that was today's animal, and I'm going to clip this. So, and this is going to go in my journal like so, and I'm going to have space to write this and that. So 2 areas where I can write a lot in my journal. So let me know if you like today's ephemera, and also what we can do in here to finish it or to give it a little touch of different imaging or something, is like to go. So let's go with the splatters. For the splatters, I'm going to be using these kind of brushes and these colors here. So I'm going to have green, as I have the green touch around the water and also in this leaf over here. Also, I'm going to be using blue. This is a dark blue, really dark, but it's lovely. I like it so much. And then I'm going to be using brown, because we have some accents of brown all the way around the card. And here. And as I always tell you, like, start always with the lighter color to do your splashes, so you don't have to wash the brush too much. So you can also have these ready in a jar somewhere with the colors. I don't like to do that so much because I don't have too much space, but it's okay to prepare it like every time. So I'm going to cover our hamster's face. So I'm going to start splashing this guy here. Oh, that's nice. I love it. I really like it. Let's do some more green. There. Okay, so you can see the character is totally different. I'm gonna wash my brush a tiny bit here, and I'm going with the blue now. Let's see what happened with blue. Splashes are super fun. I like them, and they give a magical touch to your projects. They come like alive. And now wash the brush, and we are going with the brown. Let's go with the brown. As I'm going from the lighter to the darkest color, I don't have any problems like washing the brush or getting stains all over the place or something. So this is going to go right into my insert and my envelope for today's prompt. Is our final prompt for today. What do you think? I love my hamster, my envelope, and all the splatters. And we can tell that the 22 in hamster, water, and envelope insert is check. Yay, we did it! So I hope you are enjoying this Dephemberember 2022, and I see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Bye, friends. Bye bye.